Hey everyone, my name's Ishan. This video is for all of my year 12s out there, or anyone in year 11 going into year 12, or basically just anyone who wants to get an idea of how year 12 life is. This video is directed towards year 12 results, end of years, and just generally my advice for year 12s. I'm a year 12 myself, so I did my end of years couple of months ago. I also received my predicted grades a week ago, and I'm going to tell you my experiences on my predicted grades and also what you can do to improve your predicted grades. This does depend on the school you are at, so please don't come at me if I'm giving you completely false information, because I'm going to be relating information that I get at my sixth form. Your sixth form might be doing things completely differently. Anyway, this video is sponsored by MEDICOACH. Basically, MEDICOACH is a super affordable online tutoring company, and it's run by A-star tutors at top universities. Now, I believe that older tutors are less reliable just because they haven't recently gone through the exam system, and I believe those who are just a couple of years older than you can teach you even better than somebody who's maybe 20 or 30 years older than you. And this is exactly what MEDICOACH does. They basically pair you with an A-star tutor attending a top university, and for a really, really affordable price, starting at £24 an hour. They offer GCSE tutoring as well as A-level tutoring, and tutoring is all done online, so it is perfect for GCSE summer. Essentially, you're going to be matched with a tutor who did the same exam board as you, again, so the experience level will be great. And normally in lessons, tutors will go through exam questions, and they'll sort of help you with anything that you're struggling with. I actually had 2 lessons with MEDICOACH for French and English, and I had to say that the tutors were amazing. They explained things really, really well, and they were so nice. The best thing about it is you can use this code REVI50 to get 50% off your first paid lesson. To claim this, all you have to do is go to the description down below, go to the Google form and put the code REVI50 in there. Free introductory sessions are also included, so you get to meet the tutor beforehand to discuss your progress, things like that. Now, spots are filling up really, really quickly because a lot of students do want that extra push in summer, so go check the description below to secure your place. The first thing I wanted to talk about were the exams. So I had to do exams in April. These lasted 1 week, 1/2 weeks, and we had to do an exam for all of our A-levels. We had to sit 2 papers. Now, these 2 papers would give us a percentage. They didn't give us our grade until last week, and these percentages would be turned into grades considering your performance throughout of your year and your end of term progress grades, as well as topic tests. Now, how do these predicted grades work? So in my school, it might be completely different to your school. In my school, I do humanities, French, Latin, and English. Humanities are really lenient on grades, but they can pull the strings a bit tight. So for languages, for French, it's lenient to an extent. So you have to do well in your end of year exam to show you have an understanding of the language. Donc, je peux parler le français avec tout le monde, j'espère, but you need to show this understanding of your language or of your subject in the end of year exam, because that's exactly how you're going to do it next year during your A-levels. The same goes for Latin. We had to get a good score to get a good predicted grade, and essentially how they do it is if you're close to a grade, like if you're close to an A-star, they will give you an A-star. Again, it depends. If you're doing AS, it's completely different, and I really do feel bad if you're doing AS. But so for my case, if I got, say, A, but maybe 3 marks away from an A-star, they would predict me an A-star, just because they believe that I would be able to get that in the real thing if I worked for it. Now, these predicted grades are aspirational grades. They are grades that your teachers believe you could get on a good day. So how do teachers work these out? They work these out on various factors. It doesn't all come down onto that end of year exam you do in year 12. Again, depends on your school, depends on your course. For example, biochem, maths, physics. They were the tough ones at my school because I feel really bad for the people that did them, because their exam predictions, so their A-level predictions, were based on the grade they received in the end of year exam. Is that fair? I don't think so, but that's STEM subjects for you, so go do humanities, please. But yeah, so especially for maths, they were really, really strict. No, you're not getting an A star. You didn't get 78%. No, you're not getting an A. You didn't get 58% in your so-and-so. That's exactly how they were like at my school, according to my friends. And they weren't really giving lenience to grades. What my school does offer though is, because again, we don't have to submit our predicted grades until next year, so we do have tests, and for example in English we do have a chance to improve our year 12 end of year grade, our predicted grade, to a grade above what we were initially predicted. The same goes for a lot of subjects, so if you didn't get the grade you wanted, you still can prove it to your teachers to predict you another grade, a better grade, because after all the predicted grades are really, really important because they do determine the university you can apply for. For example, if you want to go to Oxbridge, it's A star AA, Oxford AAA for most courses, but you really do have to get these predicted grades to want to apply to these unis. If you didn't get the grades you wanted, then I'm sure that you can still do it by improving, maybe on tests. But remember, the teachers, especially for predicted grades, the teachers are meant to be predicting you aspirational grades that you can achieve on a good day. Summer is starting as well, so that is scary because that also comes with a lot of holiday work, and that's a lot of reading for me because I do languages and humanities. I have a lot to read, which is really, really annoying, but hopefully I can do well. I want to get my English grade increased. I received an A in my predicted grade. Yes, it's great, but I just want to, because I just, I want to get an A star in English. It is hard in the A level. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but I just want to get that A star. So I am going to read both books that my teacher sent me. They're like massive chunky books, but hopefully they do contain the information that will help me get the predicted A star before I apply for my unis using UCAS. For French and Latin, I'm all good. I'm happy with them. French, Latin, yes, happy with the A star. But just the English, I'm really scared for English, and I'm hoping it all goes fine. But that's all I really wanted to say in this video. This was just a sort of checkpoint in my life, in my journey. It's the end of year 12 now. When I post this, I'm going to be on summer holidays. I'm currently in my school uniform. I have 2 days of school to go until I'm done. Which is crazy. It's gone so fast. Like, I still remember just coming into sixth form as a new person. It's gone way too fast. And in 5 days, I'm going to be in Denmark. I managed to get an £8 flight to Denmark, and I'm basically going country stopping every 2 days. So I'm going to spend 2 days in Denmark, 2 days in X country, 2 days in another country. So hopefully that goes well. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It would mean a lot if you guys could subscribe and join my student journey. Again, I apologize for this sit chat video style new video, which will be a day in the life of a sixth form student, will be coming out soon. But yeah, have a great day, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.